مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic series. With me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson we shall continue learning our vocabulary, still using the root letter system. And today's letters are Fa, Ta and Ra. Fatara, Yafturu, Fatur, Futur. And that is the verb to break apart, to split, but more importantly, it means to break the fast. Simply to have breakfast. Fatara, yafturu, fatur, or futur. So futur is breakfast. Okay. ما وقت الفطور اليوم؟ ما وقت الفطور اليوم? What time is the breakfast today? الفطور جاهز الآن. الفطور جاهز الآن. The breakfast is ready now. هيا نفطر معا. Let's have breakfast together. Yes, wherever you may be. هيا نفطر معا. Let's have breakfast together. Yes. From the same fa, ta, and ra, we can use form 4 to construct to say aftara, yuftiru, iftar. And that's also mean to break the fast or to have breakfast. And the noun from that is iftar. Iftar is the meal that we eat to signal the end of fasting day. Iftar. So in Ramadan, for instance, we have Jadwal Iftar the Ramadan. We have the timetable, the table, which details each day what time we can break our fast. Immediately after the sunset. Yes. Iftar. أفطر بالتمر والماء عندما أصوم. أفطر بالتمر والماء عندما أصوم. That means I break my fast with dates and water when I fast. أفطر بالتمر والماء عندما أصوم. Now, what else from fa, ta, and ra? We can have fitr. Fitr is fast breaking. And that's why we say Eidul Fitr. Eidul Fitr, that's the festival, the feast, Eid, of the end of Ramadan, to mark the end of Ramadan. Eidul Fitr. Also there is Zakatul Fitr. Zakatul Fitr is the almsgiving or money or charity that we offer, we give to the poor at the end of Ramadan so that they can join in and enjoy the festival of Eid. It's called Zakatul Fitr. Every Muslim is required to do that to mark the end of Ramadan. So we are all happy and celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Now, what else we can get from fa, ta, and ra? We can get fitra. Fitra means nature or natural disposition. Fitra. Now, okay. Now, I think it would be appropriate to introduce a couple of other verbs as well, which are dealing with the idea of eating a specific meal, such as تغدى يتغدى. تغدى يتغدى. And that means to have lunch. تغدى يتغدى. And the noun is غداء. غداء is lunch. So تغدى يتغدى غداء. Okay. So I can say again الغداء جاهز. الغداء جاهز. Lunch is ready. هيا نتغدى معا. Let's have lunch together. هيا نتغدى معا. Let's have lunch together. Somebody might say, شكرا جزيلا لقد تغديت مبكرا اليوم. لقد تغديت مبكرا اليوم. Thank you so much. I've had my lunch early today. بصحة والعافية. بصحة والعافية. Enjoy your meal. بصحة with or in good health. And bon appetit. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Enjoy it. بصحة والعافية. Okay. Now, there is a saying which has this verb in it. It goes like this. If somebody may give you a warning and say, look, that's man, it's dodgy. تغدى به قبل أن يتعشى بك. تغدى به قبل أن يتعشى بك. Literally means have him for lunch before, or eat him for lunch before he eats you for dinner. Yes. تغدى به قبل أن يتعشى بك. And that's roughly in English means the attack is the best form of defense. The attack is the best form of defense. تغدى به قبل أن يتعشى بك. Or تغدى بها. Why not? تغدى بها. Eat her for lunch before she eats you for dinner. Yes. تغدى بها قبل أن تتعشى بك. Now, that actually leads us very smoothly to the next verb, and that's the verb to have dinner. That's mean تعشى يتعشى, and that's verb to have dinner. تعشى يتعشى, and the noun is عشاء, dinner. So, okay, there is a saying. Let's have another saying. Why not? So, and this is a prophetic saying from Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Said, إذا حضر العشاء فابدأوا بالعشاء قبل العشاء. إذا حضر العشاء فابدأوا بالعشاء قبل العشاء. Once or if the dinner is ready, start with dinner before you perform your evening prayer. You see, that's the importance of good pronunciation in Arabic. If you say عشاء with the ayn with fatha, عشاء, and that means dinner. But if you say عشاء, and that's the evening prayer, the last prayer that we offer, we perform before we sleep in the evening, is called عشاء. Hence the saying, إذا حضر العشاء, when dinner is ready, فابدأوا بالعشاء, start with dinner, قبل العشاء, before you perform your Salat al-Isha. Otherwise, when dinner is ready and it's lovely dinner, your mind will not concentrate on your prayer. So have dinner first and then concentrate and offer your prayer. Now, إذا حضر العشاء فابدأوا بالعشاء قبل العشاء. Now, lastly, another verb, and that's verb تسحر يتسحر سحور, and that's a verb to have a light meal before dawn, before daybreak, and that's before we start our fasting. When we are fasting in Ramadan, for instance, early in the morning before dawn, we have a light meal, which means from that time onwards, no more eating or drinking until sunset. So we call that sahur. That's the name of that meal, sahur. Here we are. combine all these vocabulary with the previous one, please, and start using them, particularly those of the idioms or saying that throw it in to make you feel good about your Arabic. We'll get there together, inshallah. Don't stop, keep going, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss a thing. Okay? يلا مع السلامة إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.